Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. And battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board cable from the system board. Remove the power button board cable from the routing channel and tape that secures it to the top cover. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the power button board to the top cover. Lift the power button board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the power button board.